Hi kids, welcome to Crayons and Pencils. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw a cute little girl. To start off, I'm going to draw a oval shape to make her face and two circles to make her eyes. Again, two more circles inside the circle. Color the rest. And we will make her smile by drawing a small curve. And to make her hair, I'm going to draw upside down U. And a curved line both the edges and connecting to her face. And to make her dress, I'm gonna draw a slanting line pointing downwards, and to connect these two lines with the help of U till the end. And same for her neck. And for her hands, a slanting line connecting to her dress. And one more slanting line connecting to her dress. To make her legs, three standing lines and join with up curve. And to make her dress even more beautiful, I'm going to draw circles. And to finish it off by writing the word girl. G I R L. I forgot to draw her bow. Small oval shape, reverse 3 and 3. Good job! And it's time for coloring. It's going in fast forward, so looks like I'm coloring really fast. But you can pause the video and take your time to coloring in. And I'm going to color her dress in pink color. But remember, you can color your drawing with whatever colors you have or whatever colors you want. It can even be a sky blue or it can be a rainbow colors, whatever you want. And for small circles, blue color. For her face, green color. Same for her hands and legs. Black for her hair. Remember, you can pause the video and take your own time to coloring in. For her neck, blue color. For her bow, same color. And in between, pink color. Good job! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Crayons and Pencils. Thank you.